Abi-Sue.
Okay. Hey you guys, what's goody, what it do? It's your girl Abi-Sue, and I'm back with another video. Room tour. Okay. This is an Airbnb, and this is a studio. So because it's like not small, but it's really not a lot to it, I'm gonna show y'all the whole building because the whole building is nice. This is a luxury apartment, so I'm gonna show y'all. So let's start with the bathroom. It's small, and if you're someone like me that likes to do their makeup and stuff like that, this bathroom is cool, but the lighting is kind of dim. So yeah, but it's cool. So we got one sink. I know I got towels everywhere, but and I got my stuff up here. Toilet, there were towels in here, but I've been using it for my makeup and my makeup brushes. So if y'all book this place, that will not be like that. More towels. Then we have this shower, a regular shower head, you know, simple stuff. You do get a blow dryer and other necessities that you might need. This is where you adjust the heat and the air. So yeah, and they got like a timer on there, like a alarm clock if you want to wake yourself up. Oh, I want to hear how that sounds. Where would you hear the noise at?
I don't know, probably like throughout it, I guess.
And they got some other cool features. I was just playing with it and that's what I seen. Right here we have a washer and a dryer. They do have detergent and stuff like that. I do plan on using this on our last day. Wash some clothes. Here we have the closet. Our shoes are in here. These were in there. What we got here? A whole bunch of blankets and towels and stuff like that. On the side, I put our suitcase, luggage, all that other stuff. Yeah. So if you come over here, we have the kitchen or whatever. We got the deuce. Not included with the room, but empty fridge, little stuff that we put in there, but you know, you could use that. Got the stove over here if y'all want to cook. We're not gonna be cooking. This is our view. So yeah, got some nice trees over there. This is the blinds, you know, pull it down and pull it up. Pull it down at night, but we're gonna keep it up throughout the day. We have the TV right here that we did not utilize yet. Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi is good here, and I'm a girl that always needs Wi-Fi, and the Wi-Fi is good. We have this couch for lounging around. Then we have the bed right here. We have a table over there to put your things. And like I said, this is a studio apartment, so it's not really much to it. It's not small, but you know, everything is like all in one. And so that's why I'm gonna show you guys the whole building because it's nice. So yeah, next we're gonna go to the rooftop. So let's go. Okay, so this is the rooftop. This is the view. So I'm gonna show y'all what's over here. They have this cute area over here. You can eat your food, chill, whatever the case may be. And we're gonna go over there. This is cute. I don't know what's over there. I think dogs, for your dogs. Where should we go? It's a nice little view. Okay, so over here is just another lounging area. They have a grill.
Clean a little bit.
This is basically the rooftop. Just a nice place to come and chill and, you know, just get some fresh air. And it's fire if you want to take pictures. Next on our tour, we're gonna go check out the pool. So, come on. Right now, we're on the ground floor. This is where the pool is. I think there's a jacuzzi. Didn't they have a picture of a jacuzzi? I swear they did. But this is the area, so yeah. The next part of the tour, I want to show you guys this part of the apartment that I really like because it's so cute. Like, oh my god, look at this. And I like to take a lot of pictures, so that's why I really like this. You can take pictures down here. And this is the last thing I'm gonna show you guys, but like this apartment is huge and they have a whole bunch of stuff. So you guys could like look around and find things that you guys like, but I just wanted to show you guys this. That's cool. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe.